Hey guys, it's Tony again. Week 8 of San Diego Code School's JavaScript full stack program. This week was difficult. It was hard. Yes, I'm not gonna lie. Um, the week started out good. I completed the change calculator app, a top spots app. The top spots was fairly straightforward. Um, it was just basically showing you how to pass state, React state from one component to another. Um, and um, that really helped me in um, the next project, which is the one I'm currently on, the current pain in the rear, which is the ToDo app. There's a lot going on. And I'm not gonna lie, it's a frustrating time. More so just because I'm overwhelming myself. Um, there's a lot to do in this one, and it's a to-do app, and the title is very simple to-do app. Uh, wow. Um, but yeah, there's the inputs, which are fine, but then you have to pass the state to another component, and then that component, there's edit buttons and delete buttons, which I'm not even there yet. Um, I basically got to the point to where I can submit a to-do description and a priority, and then send it to another component, and it'll just start listing the to-dos. So that's where I am. I have to wire up a delete icon to do something, to delete it once it's done, or if I just want to delete it, a button that will edit that single to-do item. So that's got to send it to another component, I think. I don't know, not there. But I think Wednesday or Thursday of this week, I was just overwhelmed. Like, how am I going to get out of this? Like, I don't even know where to go. I don't even know where to start. And talked to my instructor, Mike, and I knew what to do. I knew I had to break it up with this programming, with anything in life. If it's a big project, you just have to break it down into small pieces. And I just couldn't wrap my head around it. And I felt like this in other projects. My last job, big installations, I would I would get overwhelmed at times. I'm not gonna lie, and I just had to break it down in the most basic thing. Okay, Tony, what do you have to do now? What's the next indicated step? Oh, okay, let's do this. Okay, and then just start snowballing from that. So the next day I came in after I talked with Mike. I went home that night and didn't know where to turn to, so I just started reading some of the React documentation about how to pass props, and so I just started reading. Just took my mind off the app and just started reading React documentation, like actually reading it and understanding it. I think when I first glanced through it, there was just a lot going on. So let's just learn by doing. Um, but it really helped take my mind off the project, and yeah, because I needed to forget about it for a minute because it was really overwhelming. So the next day I came in and I just started smashing away at the keyboard and got to where it was passing it to the next component and actually listing out the to do. So making progress. There's still a lot to go. I'm maybe a third of the way through it. This one's it's a doozy, and even the other students say this is the most challenging. So I don't feel too bad. Uh, but yeah, I still got at least another week on it, if not more. Who knows? So yeah, I was really feeling stuck, and yeah, it's a struggle. Like, this is when the thoughts start creeping in. Like, is this? What did I do? Is this? Am I going to be able to do this? But it's all part of the progress. It's all part of the learning. Um, there's a huge learning curve. It's all a part of the process. So you just can't give up. You'll get out of it. Just break it down into small pieces. If that piece is too big, break it down even more. Um, yeah. So that's where I currently am. Currently in a ToDo app with React. It's a doozy, but we're trying to get through it. Other than that, yeah, just not giving up. I'm gonna go into this next week. I'm just gonna keep chipping away at it, and hopefully by the next video, I'll be done with it. Fingers crossed. But yeah, I just want to keep this video short. Thanks, guys. Yeah, here we go. This is week 8, going into week 9. So stay tuned. Thanks.